Hi guys, this is Keshav, and once again I'd like to continue from where we left off in our last video. If you haven't watched that, I would really recommend you watch the last two videos so you'd have a better idea of where we are. So basically till now we have learned about how to make basic HTML web pages as well as embedding some images and customizing the text. But today we're going to talk about something a little more detailed, because you see videos and forms are an essential part of a web page. So we're going to learn how do we embed videos and forms in web pages. So for this, what you'll require is one form, any form, a Google form preferably, because they're easy to make and much easier to embed. And you need a video. So for this, I've selected the first tutorial video that I made, and it's very easy to embed forms. And we'll start by first of all opening Notepad and creating a basic HTML page. You can again refer to the first video where we covered the basic HTML page, and over here we're just going to recreate that, and then we'll start embedding the form, and then we'll embed the video. So as soon as we will start first with embedding the form. So we'll just go to the live version of the form, and we can get to the editable version of the form, and from here we'll click on file, then we'll click on embed. There's this option embed, just click on it, and there you have the iframe tag, which is the source code for embedding this form in it just says so itself. So we'll just copy it, and you can change the height or the width if you want, if you know what you want beforehand. Generally you don't, so we can edit it anyways later on. So we'll just copy it and we'll paste it in Notepad after the body tag. Then we'll just close the body tag and we'll close the HTML tag. There we go. So we'll just save it. You can save it on the desktop, of course. Yes. So after saving it, you go back to the desktop and open with Google Chrome. Just give it a minute. There we go. So the form is here in the web page, but as you see, the height is not quite correct. We want it to be a little bit more. So we'll just go back, open the source code using Notepad. We'll learn brackets later. So let's just change the height a little bit, double it actually, save it and refresh. There we go. We can also add a heading if you want. We covered headings in the second lesson, so go and check out the second video. H1 tag, and we'll just write form, end of H1. Yeah, as simple as that. So the process of embedding a video is pretty much the same, only right now we'll get the embed tag from YouTube. So I selected this video, and you can see the share option below every video. Just click on that, click on embed, and you see the iframe tag again. Just select the entire tag, copy, and just paste it below the first iframe tag. If you want, you can make a line between them just to differentiate. So we use the HR tag. The HR tag is an open tag, so you don't need to close it, and we'll save it. But before we refresh the web page, we'll just add a heading before the video. So after the HR tag, we'll just copy the H1 tag that we used in the form, and we'll change it to video, save it, and just refresh our web page. So we scroll down and there's the video. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like or share.